lovely followers, me I go do that video yeah. But me have to do that video a little different tonight. Because you see that video yeah? When me see, and hear when me hear, people believe me when me tell you this. Believe me when me tell you this, people. It break my heart. Me see a video the other day, my people, with a lady, right? And when me see the lady, people, at first glance at the video, me see a woman turn up on a little picnic. Me continue on watching the video. Me see a woman a tapping a little girl neck. And when me say me no mean no play, me mean literally stand up, you know. Stand up on the little girl, you know. And a step in her neck, you know. The little girl a bawl, you know, me people. And a beg, even the person with a video, the lady a carry out the act. A bawl and a beg the lady. Like him I said, that is too much for that little child. And me I tell you say, it traumatized me. It traumatized me, people. That is why I never do a video about it from before. But me say me I come share it with my followers them now. Because by now, somewhere somehow, you know must come across that video, me people. Right? You know must come across that video where the lady stand up on the little pitney and just a step in her neck like I saw. There was one point in the video when me think the little girl neck broke. Me really and truly think that the little girl neck broke. I mean, not tell no lie. You see when me see them thing that me don't know what the little girl do, you know. But it would appear like a the little girl mother. It come like something go wrong. It no matter what that little girl do. Does not give a mother or a guardian the right to deal with a child like that. That is right out child abuse. That is not beating when your mother give you when you're rude. That is child abuse. The child agency reach out and the police them and them find the lady and arrest her, you know. You hear me I say? And further investigation, you know. But listen to me. Jamaica need to move away. Right? From the something there. Where they murder pitney. Certain type of way. Because them they are murderation. Them they are not beating. Them they are not spanking. Them there is not teach a child a lesson. Them there is attempted murder on a child. That video we see. And any one of my followers, them, I don't know if you see the video. Probably them take down all the video from all of the platform them. Because it's very, very graphic. When you remember the video when me come do and tell you about the lady them we attack the 14-year-old down in a Clarendon. Believe me when me tell you say that video is more graphic than that video when them attack the little girl in a Clarendon, the 14-year-old little girl. Remember me tell you that. That's how bad it is. But this time, it come like our mother a deal with that little girl. Yeah. Me say the big woman, you know, stand up literally upon the child. I mean, stand up in 2 foot, them there. Stand up upon the child, you know. And hold on upon the kitchen counter like I saw, you know. You hear me I say? And I use him right foot and I stamp in a little girl neck, you know. Excuse me. A stamp in a little girl neck, you know, people. That's me if you say, Jaja. This cannot be a mother. A person like this not for have pitney. A person like this not for have pitney. What kind of lesson you could have want to teach a child? Where you feel like so you need to turn up on the pitney and a stamp in her neck so. Me literally think the child neck broke. They have to lock up a woman like that. This is child abuse. This is way beyond any beating and spanking and teaching a child a lesson. It is right out child abuse. A long time, you know. Because a modern time now, a new era now. Kids are way smarter. Kids learn things a lot quicker. So you don't need to have to murder a child to get a point across to them. No matter what the mistake may be. You hear me I say? it doesn't really matter what the mistake may be. You know, if you stamp in a child, they can do a child certain way, if you teach a child a lesson. We are in an era now of understanding. If you don't realize that enough of the people them smarter than big people right now. Because if you talk to a child, they will understand. Kids will always be kids. They will always mess up. They will always do something wrong where you need to get them back in line. But it doesn't mean that you getting a child in line. You need to murder them. Attempted murder upon a child. You need to abuse them to that extreme. You hear me I say? Can't you hear when a child is hurting like you're gone too far? This is too much. Because from the start of the video, I said, no man. No. This is way too much. This is too graphic for anybody watch. Me say people literally traumatize me. That's why I couldn't do a video. Me watch that video if me not lying about 2 days ago, you know. Me watch that video, you know, if me not lying, you know. Me not watch it yesterday, me watch it the day before. If me not lie about 2 days ago, but I just literally couldn't bring the video at the time. Me really have to think about bringing that video. It's really traumatizing people. Why can a mother do them kind of thing to a child? Your own child where you push out and bring in another world, yeah. And the way you're stepping at the little pit in the neck, literally like, she literally try to take the child life. Me can't put it no other way. I want to know me no pretty up things. She literally try to take the little girl life. Me say one of the time when him step off of the little girl could even move her neck. Me feel it. Me feel it to me core, me I tell me people. You hear me I say? And guess what? Anytime you see them things that happen, it come like a norm in a Jamaica for certain things. Like, a lot of people are moving away from it right now, you know. I mean, no matter which mother it is. Any mother see that video know say, no man, that gone too far. That's a little bit too much. It is a norm, you know. For parents beat kids a certain type of way in a Jamaica, you know. And it come like nothing. But in a them time and this era, when you see and learn certain things and what we do right now and see how a person for deal that child, and then a pitney have understanding. When you deal with pitney like that, it's abuse. It's definitely abuse. And don't come tell me, say, I saw you have to deal with them, because there is no way you want to try to take your child's life and nobody ever justify that. Whatever they did. Whatever that child did, there is no justification as to what you do to that child. There is no powers on earth can tell me, say, whatever that the little pitney do, what you do to that little child, can justify it. You must be mad, man, unless me a idiot. Unless J Progress a baboon and me born back a cow. And me born in for me mama gonna market. Somebody can really come tell me, say, you stand up on your pitney and a tap in your neck so like you want papa off him head off his body. Can justify whatever that child did. You must be sick, man. You see? Sometimes me have to wonder in another world, you know. A lot of women have pitney. Some of them dash them way. Some of them have abortion. Some of them carry them come a world and not show them no love, not show them no affection. Them beat and batter them. And all kind of same thing. Emotional scar, childhood scar. You get to me and say, some of you never have no pitney, because a lot of person out there right now who would have love a child and would have show the child the most love and affection a child could have ever get. But guess what? They cannot bear a child. They cannot bear a child. And enough of the people them who have pitney is just straight out abuser to the child. And at them have all 3-4 pitney. 3-4 pitney enough of them have. And some things where them do them, only God alone he knows. Remember me tell you that. Well, I couldn't think of sometimes some little young girl have a runway from them yard. A lot of times they have to run away. Only through certain things they get caught on video. After we can see it. But some things where them parents they do them, only God alone he knows and the walls them. Or if the picnic come sit down and tell you something when parents do them. Believe when me tell you that. People, if you don't see the video, you don't want to see it. Especially if you are a parent. Don't bother go look on a video there. It's a very gruesome video. If the mother that, or the auntie, that the woman they fi charge for attempted murder. Believe me when me tell you that, because me not pretty up nothing. She should be charged for attempted murder. She worse than the woman them will attack the 14-year-old on a Clarendon and send her in a hospital. That is how bad it is, people. Believe when J Progress tell you. Yes, man, I'm out, man, I'm out. Remember, people, like, subscribe, and share. And tell a friend to tell a friend, man. Share up the content, man. Share the channel. Make them come over here, come watch J Progress. Because remember, you don't have to ask nobody nothing and nobody don't have to tell you nothing. I want J Progress and no other. I don't know how me got to work already. Remember, at 10K we are trying to go by March. And we know we can do it. Believe.